Bullish Gochain cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 3 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market investigators expect Go could reach 3 cents by 2025. Bearish Gochain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Gochain presentation. Gochain is an inventive token with a strong specialized establishment and a great rundown of organizations, yet still can't seem to make a leap forward. Of late, the versatility of blockchains has been a hotly debated issue, and the victor could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining cryptographic forms of money. One of the latest participants into the fight is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization and a superior choice to brilliant agreements by utilizing proof of notoriety as an agreement convention as opposed to proof of work or proof. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it means to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparable situations as Gochain have equivalent market capitalizations to their neighbors. Thus, their rankings can change decisively inside a solitary day. To become familiar with Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost forecast, continue to peruse as this Gochain value expectation will uncover all that you really want to be aware of the Go token. Generally speaking, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost expectations from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is versatile, quick, and secure. The digital currency considers high exchange volumes and fast confirmation. Gochain can perform x100 a bigger number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's change to a proof of notoriety agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any inner or outside issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about serious outcomes. Fundamentally, Gochain has enhanced the proof of power model by renaming it proof of notoriety for most organization members, though the verification of power can in any case be utilized, however just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can undoubtedly progress to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains that utilization confirmation of work as an agreement system. While verification of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the upheaval. Right now is an ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more adaptable, decentralized, and energy effective. It additionally goes past Ethereum brilliant agreements to make something more steady and valuable. Tokenomics of the Gochain biological system. The Gochain token, meant by the ticker image Go, was conveyed in June 2018 following an effective ICO that gathered 20,000 ETH, or $13.7 million. The Go token is an ERC20 token in view of Ethereum that can be utilized as gas to get to all Gochain stage administration. There are plans to make 1 billion tokens altogether, with the ongoing flowing stock of 498,943,652 Go. The leftover tokens will be scattered as marking rewards, with 5% or 50 million Go tokens disseminated during the principal year of the really net system. The circulation rate will step-by-step diminish until every one of the 500 million Go tokens have been scattered. The Go symbolic deal occurred in May 2018, with the task arriving at its hard cap of 20,000 ETH. Every token was sold for 0.00005 ETH and has proactively valued multiple times in ETH terms, presently worth 0.000162057 ETH, showing the positive thinking encompassing the task, considering that these additions were made while most virtual monetary standards were either level or consistently diminishing. Gochain coin outline. The Gochain stage utilizes a proof of notoriety agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, savvy contracts, and different instrument, means to empower engineers to send decentralized applications on a more energy-proficient organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. On the off chance that you're pondering where to purchase Gochain, the top digital money trades for exchanging Gochain tokens are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Upbit, and Bith. Gochain current cost. Gochain is as of now worth $0. Go has moved 1.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,870. Gochain is as of now positioned 794 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,115,420 USD. Gochain value expectation 2022. Gochain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Go cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 1 cent. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Go is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Gochain Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Go's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Gochain Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 2 cents and Go may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 2 cents in 2024. Gochain Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Gochain effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2025. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 3 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Go cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Go has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 4 cents. In the event that Go figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Go requirements by 2027 could bring about a low of 4 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2028. While Go is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 5 cents in 2028. Gochain Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Gochain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 5 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 5 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Go cost in 2030 is projected to be 6 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 6 cents. End.